Revisit the markets then and interesting charts with our chartists Kunal, Bothra, Nooresh, Merani back on the show with us. Kunal, any chartbuster that you may have identified?
So it's on a mid-cap name, and Bombay Dyeing is something which is coming back into a radar in terms of a potential breakout. So the stock is on the verge of a consolidation breakout. So something which you've seen more as a regular pattern for Bombay Dyeing over the last one and a half odd year, especially when the stock was two digits. So from current levels, where you can see the stock consolidating, going into a range, spending almost a few weeks, few months of the price into a consolidation, then heading towards a breakout, and that breakout leads into a change of trend. We saw the stock going through very similar kind of a prolonged breakout or prolonged consolidation over the start of 2024 when the stock was almost at 150 levels. Now the stock, which is closer to 220 mark, is showing a very similar kind of a price-wise consolidation. Now what's aiding the move, what could aid the move for the stock is the breakout which you've seen for the stock in terms of momentum oscillators. So that breakout on the weekly chart is confirmed for Bombay Dyeing. If in case the stock breaks past about the 250 levels, I believe that there could be a very similar kind of a price trend. We may see a rally of almost 20 to 30 points on the stock over the very near term.
Okay, so that's the view coming in on Bombay Dyeing. Nooresh, what's that you are looking at right now?
So it's a chart for Grasim Industries. The stock has been in a uptrend and making a classical triangle formation. The range keeps on getting narrower and narrower. Now the range is between say 2700 to 2800. Yesterday also the stock saw an uptick. If it sustains 2800, that would be a breakout. So it's a preemptive buy here, which makes the risk reward very interesting. So a stop loss at 2700. The breakout could take it to 3200 to 3400 band.
Right, okay. Let's also revisit some stock strategies as well then. Kunal, what's on your list?
So I'll go with the sell on Bank of Baroda. That's a chart which is looking weak on the short-term time frame. Sell with a target of 232, stop loss at 248. And the second would be a buy on Dr. Reddy, the stock nearing a breakout of its 50 DMA. Buy with a target of 69.50, stop loss at 66.50.
Right, and Nooresh, what about your stock ideas?
So first is a buy on Dr. Reddy's, a short-term breakout here, stop loss at 6700, target price of 7900. Second is a sell on Siemens. The stock has seen a good correction yesterday after crossing just above the previous highs. Stop loss at 7900, target price of 7400.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.